All right, for number 5, we're just going to factor, okay? Notice all these problems, there's a pattern to them, okay? All right, so what's the first term times the third term? That is equal to 30. So we're going to find two numbers here that will multiply to make negative 30, and they will always add up to that middle term, and which is going to be 11. So the two numbers are 1 and 30, nope. 2 and 15, nope. 3 and 10, nope. 4, nope. 5 and 6, yes. I just go in order, 5 and 6, okay? All right, now even if we divide by 1x, because that is the term here, 1x, right? They do not simplify, so we just get x plus 5 and x plus 6. Okay, that would be the factor form. That's all it's asking, to just factor. Okay, B. We want to find two numbers that multiply 1 times negative 20. So multiply two numbers that multiply to make negative 20. And that middle number here is negative 1. So that adds up to negative 1. Let's see. 1 and 20. Nope. 2 and 10. Nope. 4 and 5 looks like. 4 and 5 looks good. Okay. Let's see what has to be negative though. 4, 5. 4 and 5. When you add them, it becomes negative 1, so the negative has to be on the larger number. We divide by this 1x because that is what's in front. They do not simplify, so you just get x plus 4 and x minus 5 as the solution. Let's now look at C. We're going to find two numbers here that multiplies to make positive 21. That adds up to this middle term of negative 10. The two numbers here are, let's say, 1 and 21, no. 2, nope. 3 and 7, yes. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. But when you add them, they have to be a negative. So these two numbers are both negatives. Let's double check. Negative 3 times negative 7, it is a positive 21. Negative 3 plus negative 7 is a negative 10. Next, we divide by that 1x because that is what's in front. They all do not simplify, so we just get x minus 3 and x minus 7 is the correct factored form. Let's now do D. We want to locate two numbers here that multiplies to make negative 24, and we want them to add up to that middle term of just 2. The fact that it is a 2, it is numbers are fairly close together. So let's say 124, no. 2 and 12, no. 3 and 8, no. 4 and 6, yes. 4 and 6 works. 4 and 6, 4 and 6. Because we're trying to make a 2, it has to be a negative on the smaller number. Let's double check. Negative 4 times 6 is negative 24. Negative 4 plus 6, it is a 2. Now we want to divide by that 1x, so we divide by 1x. They all do not simplify, so we just get x minus 4 and a x plus 6. There is something very interesting about all these problems. All these problems, notice that there is no simplifying step because the a value is equal to 1. You're dividing by 1x to all the terms at the end. Does not change the factors.